They call Frank Victor. They call her the social media king. Those of no, I be this. You are welcome. Your first time on Mock News, huh? No fear, no fear. You don't commit anything. So a group of people, both women, prophet, Cynthia, all of them, they gather. They say, Parara, I say, what did they happen? They say, this man mean a lot to us. Everything where this man they talk for social media, they touch us. I say, somebody they will even pass me. They say, yes. Oh. They say, this man, they know they use and they play. Say, make I tell you, say they love you well. And they say today na your birthday, but they won't surprise you. Those of you now, we never watch waiting, they won't make a surprise them. May you know. God, all these people, they say me they chocolize you, you don't know. And they be this. So, Joe, as you do this thing, all the people will make me say, make them read this happy birthday for us. So, just they flip them, they pass so that they will feel understand. Those of you never watch them. Regardez now I do brother Bende. So may God bless you. Nice one. No worry, me and you go see we'll talk. More your fair do this birthday pass and help me time these people them. Cause they know they allow me to sleep. And that day you post them more. And another day you post them. They say you disturb or I don't disturb when you got all the paint. You know so I mean, so nice one. You get like you get boy like you, man. My fans. Now me the insult pass for this world.
I'm here to celebrate your birthday with you. Yes, it's a great day. It's a day of joy. So we are still popping here. So I want to wish you a many happy birthday and many more years of celebration. So I, the leader, celebrate your new age with you, age with grace and love of God, above all good health. So I am here out to come and bubble and bust your bubble. So I want to give it today. Buzz. Yes, so Mr. Good morning, darling. Please, my fans, help me to celebrate my sweetheart, my one and only Yori, my popori popo. Yes, so my sweetie pie. Mona, help me celebrate, son. Yes, so the only baba way they make me the smile. Now they make me the smile, but people don't know. Yes, so it busts you, shock you. Yes, it shock una. Yes, so it shock. It's shock, I be not shocked. That one and the person they make me they smile. Yes, so yes, anytime why they verse. Once you just see call, you say, babe, I don't want to say I'm a girl, yeah. Move. We go move. We they always they move. So that make me come out today as leader, no matter the area where I dey. Me a leader must celebrate. If you're not celebrating your magba. So that is why I am bringing this one to you. Yes, so this is Bellis. So I'm going to be using to be to celebrate your age with you. I'm going to gather friends around. We are going to cook. We are going to eat. You see it. I'll video it later. You people will see it. The rice is the rice is there. The tomato, go and bring them out so you can go and wash them, go and grind them, and let them start cooking. So we are going to cook to eat. We are going to celebrate. We are going to make it big. So I've called people around. They should come. We are doing birthday today. My one and only. Yes. So the in. Thank you, darling. So we will cook, we will eat. People will there around to come and celebrate your birthday with you. So I'm using this. No, put the rice there. It's the tomatoes I asked you to bring. So you can start to wash them and go and grind them. The meat is also there. The meat we bought yesterday. Then let me ask, where's your mommy? She's at home. So let's go and call her for me so she can start to be boiling, cooking, you know. So it's going to be very big. We're going to do it in a big way. You understand? We're going to do it in a very big way. And thank you guys for joining me to celebrate Frank Victor, Umenwa, social media, social media, you know. So we celebrate your birthday all the way from Nigeria. We're going to make it big. It's going to be yuppie. It's going to be wow. So happy birthday to you, my darling. Good morning, Promise Charles. I'm going to make it big for you. It's going to be something different, you know. So this is Bellis. So I want to sing happy birthday song for you from me, your sweetie pie. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes, so this is a royal congratulations to you from a royal family, from a royal peace home. So we sing happy birthday to you again. Let's take it again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes, happy birthday to you from the leader, Princess Evie Rio, aka the leader that lead, others follow. So let's cheers to your birthday. Yes, so I've opened it. Wow. So, hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Okay, better not back worry. Over here, I saw where you're really Upuna. Okay, better, young special birthday for that matter. Cheers to you, my darling. I wish you many years, many more years of fulfillment, celebration, I meet the leader and I talk and nobody else. Cheers. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah, hip, hooray, yes, so. And so we're going to dance, so we're going to celebrate and one thing at a time. Yes, so I greet everybody with better style. So as they celebrate, Baba, when it's my birthday today, throughout today, my birthday will use and celebrate. You understand? Yes, so I dare you, potpourri, they represent for years. So people will come later, oh, come do the beduk, my music. Oh, may I cover this bills? May they not go thief for my back. So drink day fridge, everybody go there, you know, we also do and see B, you know. Yeah.
For protecting me all this while. Lord, thank you for my life.
Baba will say, you have done so much for me. Baba will say, you have done so much for me. Lord, I really appreciate for all you've done for me. I cannot tell it all, but where you no rip me. Where me say you magic we rami ya with me. Yes, sir.
Where me no ma una kiu ya no roll me. God is too much. Father, you too much. I tell me man na ruwe said do for me.
The man has celebrated but we're waiting again. Eh?
I'm celebrating my birthday today was I'm rejoicing today was enjoyment
Eh? Thank you guys, thank you for celebrating my sweethearts. Yes, so